Introducing the Legal Entity Forecaster, or LEF, the tool that converts commercial forecast to legal entity forecast. We've seen that companies typically produce commercial forecasts, but these forecasts do not include a legal entity view. The forecast on my screen presents a typical commercial forecast. It has two dimensions: the products that the company sells and the countries of sale. Each bubble on the map presents forecasted local country profit. For example, the US bubble presents profits that are forecasted to be generated on US sales. This is country or commercial profit, but not legal entity profit. So, how can we get a legal entity view? By clicking this button, LEF converts your commercial forecast to a legal entity forecast. It is the same global profit, simply viewed under a different lens. Now, each bubble on the map presents forecasted profit for the legal entities in each country. For example, the US bubble presents US legal entity profit on global company sales. Now, we're looking at legal entity profit and not country profit. How does it work? LEF filters your commercial forecast through a subtool we call the transfer pricing matrix. The transfer pricing matrix is a summary of all your transfer pricing policies by products and by countries. This is an example of the transfer pricing matrix. On this page, you can see a summary of functions or activities by product and country. And on this page, you can see a summary of the corresponding profit returns. The result? Detailed legal entity projections that tie with both your commercial forecast and your transfer pricing policies. On this screen, you can see the same commercial forecast, but with two additional dimensions: functions and legal entities. LEF transformed a two-dimensional forecast, products and countries, to a four-dimensional forecast, products, countries, functions, and legal entities. With the use of filters, you can drill down into the data and look at any dimensions. For example, I can filter a specific product and see its forecasted profit by legal entity and by function. Or I can filter a specific legal entity and see its forecasted profit by product and by functions. With LEF, you can better understand your global tax footprint. With this understanding, you can identify tax planning opportunities and analyze the impact of various strategies. For example, you can look at the tax impact of various scenarios, convert your entities to limited risk distributors, convert your manufacturers to contract manufacturers, or migrate your IP. Use LEF if you need a better and quicker process to forecast your tax rate. At a more strategic level, use LEF if your company is involved in important events, such as APAs, IP migrations, M&A transactions, or divestitures. These are transactions where detailed forecasts are critical. Contact us today if you're interested. You can download a free copy of our LEF demo on this website.